So in today's video, we will see how to delete a column in Pandas data frame. Import Pandas as PD. I made a dictionary. I created a data set, and this is a data which is having 3 columns: year, sales, and department. So when you will run this, you then create it into Pandas data frame with the help of Pandas pd.data frame and give the input as data, and the resultant would be df, and you can see the 3 columns and 5 rows. Okay, so now let's see how do you delete a column. So before deleting a column, I would like to store my data in another object called data df.copy. I just want to save this data for the time being. So you can see this is the same data. Now let's delete this data. So what I do is, in this same data set, I will write here dot drop. Just call this method of Pandas df.drop. What column you want to drop, just write it in parentheses. And suppose I want to drop sales, and then I will write in place equals true, and I will give the xs is equals to 1. For the xs is equals to 1, this will go and locate here, and in place is true. That means this place is true. And when you will run this, the column is being dropped. Just see the data set again, and you can just find the 2 columns, year and department. So this is how you drop a column in Pandas data frame. Thank you.